Hi, today I am starting the new series in our language for the basic level. So one by one, I will explain you in everything in our language. So firstly, today I am telling you what is R. R is the programming language and it's widely used for static languages. Mostly in our language, we will cover the mean, mode, max, like this statistical and the major corporate area like Google have lot of vacancies in R, Amazon, Facebook. It also we can work in data science as well as data analyst. Types of R has different types like a scalar. Then vector, in vector we use the numerical character and logically. That's it, come in the vector. I will explain you with the example in my next video. Uh, and matrix, we create a matrix 2 by 2, and then data frame that we create the data frame. How to create the data frame I will explain you, and list we know everybody that how to create the list. Mainly there is the basic style is like a 4.5. If we use the 4.5, that it's called the new decimal. In our Python we also say that it is a float variable. C also said float variable. So there is called the decimal. This decimal value called the numeric, and 4 is also called the integer value. It also is a numeric value. True and false, we know that it is a boolean value, which the condition is true or false, is also called the logical value. And the next value is the text. If we anything write in double quotes or single quotes, that is called the string or text character. Then there is the some arithmetic operator is a less than. We all are familiar if we learn the C plus plus. We mostly use in any programming language. So is a less than, equal, then greater than, equal sign, not equal, and not, and then x and y x, and operator I also use, and is true and false. All these are use is a arithmetically operator. We are called, these are the arithmetically operator. And in my next video I will explain you everything in a very simple way, so you can understand how can we use all these data types. Okay. And also I mentioned because how to install the R. I have give the description in link. In both there are two links. First you download the Crane, and the second is R Studio. So you can use these links and install the R Studio. Okay, so this is the basic things I have explained you. In next video I will practically work on these data types and arithmetic operator. So that's it, and thank you.